In this video, I'm going to share with you a great method to earn lots of money online. I'm going to share with you simple and easy method to earn money. I'm not going to tell you about CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. I'm going to share with you unique strategy to earn lots of money. Watch this full video without skipping. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, first of all, you will have to visit on Believe Code platform. You can check description of this video. I have given URL of this platform in this video description box below. You can click on that URL to visit on this platform. Guys, this is a great AI video translator platform. You can get here AI voices, voice cloning, ChatGPT translation features. Believe Code video translator can automatically translate video to English and other 35 plus languages accurately. You can translate YouTube videos and translate for international marketing, translate videos for education, translate news videos, translate games videos, and the great thing is that you can translate movies. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can simply click on sign up for free button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your email address and password, and you will have to verify your email address. After that, you can click on register button. You can also directly sign up with Google. Guys, I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. If you are using desktop, then you can click here. Here you can see Believe Code software is downloading. Once you will successfully install Believe Code software, you will then come to this page. Guys, if you have any kind of videos in your device, if you have movies in your device, and if you want to translate that movie in another language, then you will have to upload that movie on this platform. You can simply click on upload file button. Now you can select your video, click on open button. Guys, here you can select language and voice. You can click here. Now you can select any of this language. My video is in English language. I'm going to translate my video into German language. Here you can see there are a lot of voices. You can select any of this voice. You can click here to play this voice.
Lernen wir wirklich eine Sprache in nur 3 Wochen?
Guys, you can also select instant voice clone option. You can click here. Here you can see source language option. My video is in English language. I'm going to select here English. Now you can click on translate button. Guys, here you can see this platform is translating my video into German language. Yeah, here we go. This platform has translated my video successfully into German language. You can click here to open this video. Guys, here you can see transcript. My video is in English language. This platform has translated my video into German language. You can click here to play this video.
Erstellung einer Bildungs-App in einem Video erklärt. Kann Google Ads in Anwendung schalten. Mit Ihrer Anwendung können Sie täglich $100 verdienen. Video ohne Unterbrechung anschauen. Neue Abonnenten, bitte.
This platform has translated my video accurately. You can click on subtitle button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of subtitle styles. You can select any of this style. I'm going to select here this style. Now you can select here font. You can select any of this font. You can select here size. Now you can click on download button. You can click here to download translated video. Guys, if you do not have video in your device, then you can click on URL button and you can paste here URL of YouTube video. For example, you can go on YouTube and you can search your news. Here you can see there are a lot of news videos. This video has published 6 hours ago. This video has published 29 minutes ago. This video has published 44 minutes ago. You can also search your new full movie in Hindi language. Here you can see there are a lot of movies in Hindi language. You can translate this movie in another language. For example, I'm going to translate this movie in another language. You can click on this 3 dot. Now click on share button. Here is showing URL of this movie. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on Believe Code platform. Now you can paste her movie URL. You can click here. Guys, this movie is in Hindi language. You can select here any of this language. For example, you can translate this movie in English language, Spanish language, French, German, Italian. You can select here any of this language. Now you can select here any of this voice and then you can click on translate button. After translating movie, you can click on download button. Now you can click here to download this movie. In next step, you can go on Rumble platform. Guys, this is a great and trusted platform. This platform is just like YouTube. You can upload that movie on Rumble platform. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your name, username, password, email address. You can select your country. You can select your date of birth, and this is optional field. You can click here to accept its terms and conditions. And at last you can click on register button. In next step you can click on this upload icon. Now you can click on upload video button. You can upload translated movie on this platform. This platform will show advertisement on your video. For this advertisement this platform will pay money. You can earn lots of money using this method. Let me show you pricing of Flipkart platform. Click on this pricing button. Here you can select best plan. If you want to get all of these benefits, then you can select this plan. This is a most popular plan. Guys, you can also use free plan. You can upload up to 1 GB video on this platform to translate. The great thing about this platform is that you can get support from their advisors via live chat or email within 24 hours. This platform also provide money by guarantee option. So friends, take advantage of this platform to earn money. You can get this platform's URL in this video description box below. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.